I'm getting rid of it, pretty much turnkey, carburetor to all pan, you know, everything ready, drop in and go to something else. I've been enjoying this 406 since 2019, but now it's time to go in a different direction. The 6.0 offered to me supposedly has 88,000 miles on it. It doesn't look too terrible, so I'll give it a go. This should be deporting today. This is the turbo. Looks like it was never used. There's the oil return attached to it, and the connector for the oil feed. I think this is the first time I used this hoist since I changed the ram. Could use some new casters. 6.0, there it is. Traded my 406 for it. There's my 13B over there for the RX-7. I mean, I could 6.0 swap it now. Put some LS3 heads on it and a fast 102 intake manifold. I think that'd be real nice.